Most people believe aging is damage, that once the body starts breaking down, there is no way back. They think pain, fatigue, brain fog, weak immunity, and slow recovery are just normal parts of getting older. But what if that belief is completely wrong? What if your body is not failing? What if it is waiting? Waiting for the raw materials it needs to finish the repair work it is already trying to do. Because here's the truth most people never hear. Your body is not passive, it is not lazy, and it does not give up easily. Right now, as you are watching this video, your body is actively rebuilding itself. Old cells are being removed, new cells are being created, damaged tissue is being replaced. This is not motivation, this is biology. And today, I am going to show you how 3 ordinary, affordable foods quietly support these repair systems, without trends, without supplements, and without exaggeration. The body is a daily repair machine. The human body does not age the way machines do. A car wears down, a phone battery degrades, metal rusts, but the human body works differently. Your skin replaces itself roughly every month. Your gut lining renews itself every few days. Your red blood cells are replaced every few months. Even your bones are constantly being broken down and rebuilt. So when people feel worse year after year, more inflamed, more tired, more foggy, it is rarely because the body stopped repairing. It is usually because the repair process became undernourished. Think of your body like a repair workshop. The mechanics are present, the blueprints are open, the tools are ready, but the replacement parts never arrive. No parts, no repair. Most people eat enough calories, but calories are not repair materials. Repair requires protein, it requires minerals, it requires vitamins, it requires healthy gut signaling. Highly processed food sends energy, but very little information, and repair is information-driven. That is why people can eat all day and still feel depleted. The body is trying to rebuild with missing instructions. The first food is eggs. Eggs are one of the most misunderstood foods in modern nutrition. They were blamed for problems they never caused. In nutrition science, eggs are often used as a reference food. Other proteins are compared to eggs to measure quality. Why? Because repair is protein-based. Your muscles are protein, your enzymes are protein, your immune cells are protein, your hormones are protein. Every single day, your body breaks down damaged proteins and replaces them with new ones. Eggs provide all 9 essential amino acids in ratios the human body knows exactly how to use. That means less waste, less stress, more efficient repair. The yolk is not optional. Many people eat only egg whites. That removes more than half the nutrition. The yolk contains vitamin A for skin and immune repair, vitamin D for bones and immune signaling, vitamin E for antioxidant protection, vitamin B12 for nerves and blood health, and most importantly, choline. Choline is required to build brain cell membranes. It is required for memory and learning. It is required for liver fan metabolism. Most adults do not get enough choline. Low intake is linked to fatty liver changes, poor nerve signaling, and cognitive decline. Egg yolks are one of the richest natural sources. Eggs do not clog arteries. They provide the materials your body uses to rebuild them. The second food is Greek yogurt and kefir. If eggs provide the building blocks, Greek yogurt and kefir control how well those blocks are used. That control center is your gut. Your gut is not just a digestive tube. It is an immune organ, a signaling network, a regulator of inflammation. Over 70% of your immune system lives in or around the gut. When the gut is unhealthy, repair slows everywhere. People experience fatigue, brain fog, digestive discomfort, low immunity, chronic inflammation. Greek yogurt and kefir provide live beneficial bacteria that strengthen the gut lining. They reduce intestinal permeability. They improve nutrient absorption. They lower inflammatory signaling. Lower inflammation means faster repair. Greek yogurt also provides slow-digesting protein that supports muscle maintenance and overnight repair. The rule is simple. Always choose plain, unsweetened varieties. Added sugar disrupts gut balance and cancels the benefit. The third food is bananas. Bananas look simple, but biologically they serve an important role. Potassium is required for muscle contraction, nerve signaling, heart rhythm stability, and fluid balance. Many adults do not get enough. Low potassium shows up as cramps, weakness, fatigue, and irregular heartbeat sensations. Bananas provide accessible potassium and gentle energy. They also contain prebiotic fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria. This means bananas do not just fuel the body, they support the system that controls repair. When paired with protein or fat, they provide stable energy without crashes. This is not a diet trend. It is nutritional cooperation. Eggs provide the raw materials. Yogurt improves absorption and immune control. Bananas support nerves, muscles, and energy balance. Together, they support faster tissue repair, lower inflammation, better digestion, more stable energy, clearer thinking. This is how the human body was designed to function. Your body is not broken. It is intelligent, it is adaptive, and it is always trying to heal. But it can only work with what you give it. Food is not just calories, it is information. When you consistently send the right signals, the body responds quietly, efficiently, and powerfully. No hype, no confusion, just biology working as intended. Simple foods, science-backed support, real repair.